As we wind down for trade this Friday, let me come to you, Kunal, and get your BTST ideas that our viewers can watch out for.
I'll look at two financial names. First one is from the mid-cap arena. It's about Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. That's a chart which is looking extremely attractive. Would look out for targets in the range of 44. Stop loss could be now trailed to 37 since the stock has moved up higher. IndusInd Bank is the other stock which is looking extremely attractive and looking out for targets in the range of 1100. Stop loss at 1060.
All right, so those are the two BTST ideas coming in from Kunal. But Naresh, what about you?
Buy and a sell, buy on Bharti. The stock is broken out post numbers. Looks interesting again for a follow-up move to 1700, 1720. Stop loss at 1650. Second is a sell on Marico after a strong recovery. Has given a breakdown. Stop loss at 650. Target price of 635.
A sell call actually coming in from Naresh. On that note, thank you, Mr. Bagga, as well as Naresh and Kunal for being a part of the show. We'll see all of you next week. Yes, it's going to be a good working 5-day working week for all of us. But let's take a look at what the markets are doing and where we are shutting shop for the trade today. Yeah, like Shrishti said, yes, at the off the day's lowest point, significantly off the day's lowest point when it comes to the benchmark indices. Nifty Bank also seeing a tad bit of cut, but nothing to be too perturbed about. Let's take a look at what the broader markets are doing, because the picture there is pretty mixed when you compare it to the mid-cap and the small-cap index, because mid-cap index is shutting shop with a cut above 0.4%. Small cap is shutting shop with the cut of above 0.4%, while you have the mid-cap index in the positive territory. It's a very stark different move coming in from the broader markets in trade today. Some of the counters that were actually moving in trade today: Bharti Airtel, one of the top performers in trade today on back of its earnings. Post the con call commentary, you saw a tad bit of downtick on the company, on the stock price, but nevertheless holding on to gains about 3.5%. NCC, that was the one that got hammered out of shape on back of its earnings. Remember, the operating performance for this one was not that enthusing. Let's take a look at Aurobindo Pharma, another one that came out with its earnings yesterday post-market hours, and that one has given up all of its morning gains. But banks were the ones where a lot of favor was in, given the fact that you had the RBI that went on with the 25 basis rate cut. So take a look at the housing finance companies, LIC Housing Finance, Canfin Homes, what they're doing in trade today and how they are actually shutting shop pretty flat in trade. Also the auto companies, because remember, interest rate sensitives also benefit when there is a rate cut. So take a look at what the auto index is doing, or for the matter of fact, realty index, because that's among the top performers in the trading session in today's that's actually given up all of its gain and in the negative territory. But yes, the move today, Shrishti, has been pretty choppy, but yeah, we are ending the week okayish.
I think, Cheryl, yes, like you rightly said, nothing to be perturbed about, and it's been a decent week for the markets. We should mark all of those things as well. But definitely, for now, we are completely out of time. It's a goodbye from me and Cheryl and the entire team who put the show together. Thanks so much for tuning in, viewers, and we'll see you next week.